Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out on the $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win the $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's get started. We got the FEG army. What's up, everybody? We got to drop this video. I just want to note a couple things and identify where these key resistance keep happening and where we're at right now with the price. We got a lot of volume that just came in. We broke this channel right here, which is the 1048. This wick almost tapped where we've been getting rejected. And also notice, actually this line just might be a little bit off because of right here. Okay, right here. So if you notice, if we look in the past, we have this constant rejection on this right in this area, 11.15 or 11.20, give or take. So we have this where the price was rejected right here again and again. Then we had this downtrend. We reversed. We had back into a bullish trend. But what I mainly want you guys to identify is that now we've hit this. This is the low. Every time it goes into the nines, wherever it does, if it does, I'm loading up. I had some people read the comments, man. Watch the rest of the FEG videos. I got a lot of people reaching out to me, telling me thank you for I helped them already accumulate over a trillion in FEG. You guys, I'm telling you, when FEG takes off and all this traction comes into fruition, everything that FEG is doing, you guys are going to wish that you were holding a trillion worth of FEG. At one point, maybe after this year, it's going to be very hard for the everyday person to try to hold a trillion of FEG. It's being burned left and right. Okay, this is a deflationary token. This is happening really fast right before our eyes. We got rocks taking off. Rocks is already flipped to gold. So everything associated with FEG is not joking around. Usually tokens don't have these many facets of being able to, having the SmartDeFi, having all these tokens that you guys see on the top of these screens being listed on FEGex. And I already helped a couple tokens get listed on FEGex. I know of some that are about to, and that's me being behind the scenes. So that already lets me know how many tokens are reaching out to me because I do these FEG videos about getting listed on FEGex, and if I can help them, and yeah, I lead them in the right direction. But that just goes to show me that there's a long line of people that are wanting to get listed on FEGex. How many other tokens are talking about that they're dying to get on somebody else's exchange? It's not happening like that. So I'm glad that a lot of people have reached out to me and also said, thank you. You helped me accumulate over a trillion of FEG. People were selling their FEG, but this is going to be very, very valuable later on. We have this small channel I just noticed right there that we bounced up from right there. And right now what we're going to look at is we have this resistance at this 11, oh no, disregard that, at 11.15, 11.20, right in this area. Notice, I want you guys to you guys know that I'm honest with you guys. We're on the 15-minute chart. We have the crosses started to separate after that volume came in. But what I want you to notice is that this next one that came in, even though the cross is separated and the trend might be changing just very shortly, which is going to be normal because if you notice, all these right here are higher than they're higher lows than the last ones. Okay, so we had a small uptrend right here, it reversed, but right here, this is where it changed again, and we're starting to go in the uptrend. And I know that when the crosses are starting to, and you guys know that as well. If you guys been following the channel, if you guys got my money bag alerts, don't mess out on that. You guys know that you guys are tapped in, money bag alerts, and the course is half off when you get the money bag alerts. But those who have been following the channel, subscribed, and with the bell notification, you guys know what's up. Once we start seeing this higher low formation happening, we know what's up, that it's turning into a bullish trend, right? And now we know that we got this for sure. We identified this together, all of us, at 11.15. We keep having resistance on this mark right here, and it's also showing that it's somewhat true because, well, the crosses are separated, so that means we tapped it really quick and we lost a little bit of momentum. Notice how the candles on the MACD went from that dark green to the hollow green. You guys know that when they're dark green, that means we have a lot of bullish buying power. Notice when they're light green, we didn't have that much volume. When a certain amount of volume comes in, it triggers this volume, the MACD candle to be green, letting you know that it's bullish. Now, I know that it usually, when the crosses are separating, what happens is, you guys know, they flip to the other side and we start to have a downward trend. We're going to have something like that because we already know that we're going to have higher lows, because that's what the chart tells us when we're in a bullish trend. And when they start doing lower lows, then we know we're back in a bearish trend. But the reason I want to identify that I think it's still going to possibly push up a little bit higher before coming back down is that this candle stacked up taller than this one right here. You know, even though the wick shot up or whatnot, usually, you know, what happens is, you know, they balance out. Look at how these are almost identical to themselves. And these are not perfect, but they're somewhat there. And that usually changes the trend when the candles are stacked up like that. We got some good examples right here. But we're gonna watch this closely. Right now, you guys know, if you guys are following the channel, everything's good right now. We're doing good. Those who bought in and got in back when the zero came back down, those who've been watching these videos, they're not panic selling. If you guys been watching these videos, you guys know that it is super lucrative to be filling up your bag. This is not financial advice, but you guys know that it's super lucrative to be filling up your bag when we come back into this zero being erased. Because the bags just get crazy once you have over $1 trillion of FEG. They get really nice. I mean, every little movement, you can see it in your wallet, and whatnot. So we got this right here, all these buy opportunities, and people bought it up, and we're starting to hold right above this. We're making something that we're staying in this area. Anytime we buying up in here, this is crazy cheap for FEG. That's why it gets bought up and gets sent right back up to the upside. I don't see FEG coming back down this low. We're burning too many tokens. We got new tokens being listed nonstop. What's going on right now, there's this overall FUD going on in the market, and it's causing a lot of uncertainties with new investors that are coming to the crypto space, you know. But those that are rocking with me on this channel, you guys are becoming more comfortable in trading, and also in finding these positions that are more lucrative for you guys to fill up your bags. And for those that are trading, you know, I always say that FEG does incentivize that. Some people don't like that I tell you guys to sell, but FEG incentivizes it. Watch the other videos. I did one I was on a Medium post that FEG did, and it talks about you know, the rebates on the trading and whatnot like that. So FEG has a lot of things going on for us. You guys know that I'm deep in the FEG army. Shout out to everybody on the Twitter side that always, you know, resharing these videos, leaving comments. Don't worry, man. The coming month, I'm gonna take care of all you guys. I got something for you guys coming up. We're gonna be doing some big things on this channel. It's getting so much traction, and it really is the whole community. You know, I always say that these tokens are community based, and this is my first time doing a YouTube channel. I didn't realize how much of my YouTube channel is like a token itself, and because of this community and how we are with each other, we vibe really good. I love everybody in the Money Bag Alerts. We talk about other tokens, it's just not me talking about tokens that we're gonna jump into, but people give me some token ideas, and I also go check them out to make sure that they're straight for everybody else. So, you know, I just really appreciate everybody, how we're growing in this community, and we're going to keep doing this. You know, I feel like if I don't tap in with you guys at least once a day, it doesn't even feel right anymore, you know. So right now we're going to be looking at coming up to this 11:15. Hopefully we can bust through that, and we can see some. I want to see FEG do some all-time highs, man. I want to see FEG trending. Make sure you guys go to all the Reddits, mediums, anything to do with FEG. If you guys see FEG in some kind of vote race or something like that, go over there and literally call the whole FEG army on that. FEG should be trending on everything, to be honest with you guys. You guys know what's up. And I try to do my best by keeping FEG on top of the YouTube videos. I don't see a lot of other people doing FEG videos, which is crazy to me because this is such an insane project. And the Rocks token and the whole community, and I mean in English and Spanish, this is an amazing project. Let me know down in the comments how you guys feel about FEG in general. Let me know if you guys been getting in on these dips, if these videos have been helping you guys understand chart analysis and technical analysis a lot easier and stuff, you guys. So we got this resistance right here. We found a little bit of support right here, and it looks like we might be holding this initial line right here for the most part. It's right under the 1,000. This is it's just so cheap right here. We should be shooting up. We'll see. We're gonna keep an eye on it. I was hoping to see the next one flip, but we'll see the next candle. You guys let me know what's going down in the comments. Please share this video. Also, please tap in with the Money Bag Alerts if you guys are interested in that. Getting the course half off. I'm going to go in more detail about a lot more indicators and other things that we got coming to this channel, okay? I appreciate you guys. You guys know what's coming. Continue to come back. Experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time. Later.